You want to provide your customer with the best products and service. Your business depends on it. So when you need a replacement coil for Carrier, Bryant, or Payne equipment, don't take a chance with just any replacement coil. Go with a coil you can trust. Choose factory authorized parts coils. They're designed and manufactured to meet exact original equipment manufacturer specifications, and they're AHRI certified, so you can count on factory authorized parts coils to maintain optimum system performance. Aftermarket coil manufacturers don't have access to the latest OEM designs and product enhancements, and they may not meet Carrier's certified performance ratings. Why take a chance? Choose the coil you can trust. Factory authorized parts coils. They're manufactured to Carrier's rigid quality standards using only the best materials to maintain their durability and integrity under operating conditions. Coil surfaces are the same as the original part to ensure maximum heat transfer capability. And optional pre-coated, copper fin, and E-coated coils are available depending on the specific application. Aftermarket quality standards vary from one manufacturer to another, and they can only approximate OEM specs. Why take a chance? Choose the coil you can trust. Factory authorized parts coils. They go through stringent quality testing, including leak and pressure tests. Coatings are corrosion tested using Carrier procedures, and all factory authorized parts coils are thoroughly checked to make sure they comply with UL fatigue and burst strength requirements. Aftermarket manufacturers test using their own operating procedures, which may not meet UL certified performance. But with a factory authorized parts coil, you're choosing a part that's UL certified and approved. That's important to your customer because it guarantees that the coil will perform within the system as originally designed. Aftermarket coils may not be UL certified and could compromise system performance. Finally, factory authorized parts coils are backed by Carrier's replacement components warranty, which warrants each coil to be free from defects in material and workmanship for a period of 2 years. Aftermarket coil manufacturers may not offer the security of a Carrier warranty. So why take a chance? Choose the coil you can trust for optimum system performance, safe operation, and reliability. Choose factory authorized parts coils. The most common coils are available right here at your nearest Carrier, Bryant, or Payne distribution center. And if we don't have what you need, we have fast shipping options to get the right coil to you quickly.